Hello, students and professionals. Let's welcome back. I'm just giving one tip. Generally, it will be useful in production system if you are working in support projects, or sometimes other systems where you will have a more restrictions for transactions and configurations. It is one of that. And what is the topic today? How to find different ways for customer master ranges if configuration object is disabled and the production for display in SAP. Okay, how do we do that? Generally, in a production system for customer master, they'll give the display access. Minimum to minimum, they will give the display access or else certain T code access. Both are not there. How do you see that? I'll give a tip. This is, if you know, this one is a small tip, but before knowing, it is, you know, tough day for you. So XD03, and this is the general way, like, account group you open, and this is the place where you'll try to see your customer master data. Okay. So let me try to get onto the SAP system. First, I will show you, this is a practice system. Let's go to SPRO. Two different ways. Of course, it's a similar way. First way is in two ways, two methods. Suppose if you go to financial accounting, let's go to the customer receivable, go to the customer accounts and master data and preparation of creating master data. Let's come here. You see create number ranges and assign number ranges. Generally, if you go for this create number ranges, this is the place where you can able to see number range status. And of course, if you have access, you can able to see display number ranges and you can able to see and change and display number ranges. Okay, this is the first method. Every professional who starts their early of the career, they know this one. This is the place where, but 99% in real time, this transaction is useful. Suppose assume that all these transactions, complete master data is disabled by they are not giving permission to open. You cannot open anything, any execution method for configuration. Even if you want to display also, they don't want to do so. Such a cases, or before that, let me tell you one more thing. This is the shortcut XDN1. Okay, it will reach the same screen. That means two methods you learn now, either T code or else by configuration path. Here also, you can able to display it. Assume that this T code also done. So what is the third alternative? I will explain you. Before that, at least you must know your account group. Okay. So let me try to show you this one. One moment. So I have a request. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe to get more inputs, a lot of information related to SAP and stuff and general stuff also. This is the channel where I'm just discussing with you now. And this is my Udemy channel, completely professional stack. Okay. Completely professional, situation where you can able to upgrade yourself. So if you look at here, I have done my project related concepts also, like somewhere like if you would like to learn advanced payments, three methods I have done. Some support incidents, like, if you are very new, you're in job trials and you would like to look out for certain support incidents for remembrance and actual incidents also certain times near to standard I have done. And in future, it will be updated. And rebates, I have a course. And if you come here, two more important stress level where people are facing and students also facing at the time of learning in their job trials and early of their career for practicals. This is one idoc training. You have to get into that and how to write function. Without doing these two courses, never ever try to get into the real time. This is my call for you. It's up to you how you want to do it. And if you would like to learn pricing, this is one of my top course. And I have done advanced level also. This is also another 10 hours. Continuously, these courses will be updated whenever I find something new in real time and which is near to standard, where I can able to focus and explain for you. Okay. If you're really interested, you can subscribe all these courses. That's up to you. Now let's go to the third method. First, you have seen configuration. Next one is transaction. Let's simply go to XD03. Okay. Generally, they don't disable until unless so suppose if you go to you can able to display XD03, right? Here, how to find it? Go to extras, go to account group information. You remember this one. Extras, account group information, and number ranges. This is the place where you can able to find it out. So if you know, see, account group also you can able to find it out. I have explained you. Go to extras, okay? Go to administrative data. This is the place where you can able to find your account group. You know that the link between account group and number range will try to save you customer number in SAP. Okay. For that, simply go to account group number ranges. You can able to find ZH hours is mine. So I need not require to go to configuration or display. You can able to see this. So this is the lower limit and upper limit and status. All three together, I can able to see the same place within the customer master. Okay, this is how you can able to do this. 1 second, you are able to see the screen, right? Yeah, that's good. So that's it. If you really want it, you can try my Udemy courses. It's up to you. Okay. Jai Bharat. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks for joining the session.